Hey everyone! Welcome back to Datum-Tech, where we dive into the future of tech with clarity and excitement. Today we're talking about a game changer. The new Figure 03 from Figure, a third-generation humanoid robot that's designed not just for prototypes, but for the real world. It's big. It's bold. Let's get into why this is huge. What is Figure 03? Picture this, a robot built from the ground up to live in your home, but also scale up to industries. That's what Figure is going for with Figure 03. According to the company, it's designed for Helix, the home, and the world at scale. What does that mean? Helix, that's their proprietary AI, Vision Language Action Engine. Figure 03 is built to make Helix really work. Home. This robot is built to be safe, useful, friendly in everyday spaces. World at scale. They're not just building one robot, they're building thousands for commercial settings too. Smart tech inside. Here are some of the standout features that caught my eye. A fully redesigned sensory suite plus hand system. The main cameras are faster, lower latency, and much wider field of view. The hands, embedded palm cameras give it eyes at the level of the hands, so it can see when reaching into cabinets or cramped spaces. Tactile sensors in the fingertips. It can detect forces as small as 3 grams, so the robot knows if it's about to drop something or slip. Data offload. 10 gigabits per second mmWave data upload, so the fleet can learn and improve fast. Built for the home. The home setting presents so many challenges for robots, clutter, unpredictable events, delicate objects, safety around humans. Figure 03 addresses this. Softer materials. It uses multi-density foam in pinch zones and textiles instead of hard machined parts. Simpler, safer. Smaller size. It's 9% less mass and less volume than the previous model, making it easier to move around domestic spaces. Washable soft goods clothes. Yes, the robot can wear removable garments, and the clothes are washable. Wild. Wireless charging plus data. It can step onto a wireless dock and recharge and upload data without cables. That's home-friendly. Ready for mass production. Here's where it gets really exciting. This isn't just a one-off. They're building for scale. A completely new supply chain, new manufacturing process, moving away from prototype mode to volume mode. New facility called BotQ dedicated to high-volume humanoid robot production. They're aiming for up to 12,000 units per year, with an eye toward 100,000 units in 4 years. Design and process reinvention. Less part count, more injection molding, die casting, all to bring down cost and time. Commercial use plus the big picture. So far we've talked home, but Figure 03 is also built for industrial commercial uses. Faster actuation and better torque can pick and place items faster. Advanced sensory and tactile systems mean it can handle complex objects with finesse. Customization for fleets. Uniforms, side screens, branding, useful if you deploy 100 of these in a warehouse. In short, they're aiming for general-purpose humanoid robots that work in home and commercial settings. That's a massive leap. Why it matters? Here are my takeaways. We're crossing from look what prototypes can do to look what we can scale in robotics. The convergence of tactile sensing plus vision plus big data plus volume manufacturing means robots like this could become practical assistants. Watch for pricing and availability. Mass manufacturing is one thing, but affordability plus reliability are the big hurdles. Ethical and social questions. If robots enter homes plus workplaces, what happens to jobs, privacy, human interaction, etc.? So there you have it. The Figure 03 is a bold step into humanoid robotics that's not just about flashy demos, it's about deployable scale. For my channel, if you're into what the future holds for tech, AI, robotics, this is a must-watch move. If you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss future deep dives. Drop a comment. Would you welcome a robot like this into your home? What would you want it to do? Thanks for watching Datum-Tech. See you in the next one. Peace.